Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 2. It is December 2nd. I am currently going to edit Vlogmas day 1 and get that up and then do homework. So it's Saturday. I really don't have any plans today. I'm supposed to work on a group project, but no one answered me about what time to work on it. So that's not happening, apparently. I'm charging my old iPod. Hopefully it charges fast. To give to a friend who needs one. So yeah, I want to watch The Grinch. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start to do some work. I'm gonna edit so I can get Vlogmas day 1 up and the other video that was supposed to go up this week up and be done with those. And yeah, hopefully today's a little more exciting. I get to see my bag. I'm gonna give her a present, so I'll video that for you guys. Okay, I'll see you later. Hey guys, so I did not film when I was eating breakfast because I was just editing. I look so tired. I'm gonna go back to sleep. But because I was just editing, I did not film, but I'm ready to upload those. Ooh, as soon as I enter my room, I'm gonna start uploading the week in my life video. And then I think I might make a thumbnail for my Vlogmas. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna upload that one too. I think I am. I think I'm gonna do a Vlogmas thumbnails this year because I've never really done them. It's hot. I'm gonna turn on the air. But I'm going to start the uploading because it takes forever at school. And then I'm going to make a thumbnail and then I'm gonna sleep because I'm so tired. Okay, turn the air down a little bit. It's on. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm so tired. No one has told me if we're doing our project tonight or not, so I'm gonna tell them we can't do it tonight because I'm gonna go study with my bag. But yes, so that's what I'm going to do. I can cross it off my list. I've actually had that on my list to do things. But so I'm gonna upload. So I'm going to upload the week in the life video, and then make the thumbnail, then upload the Vlogmas video. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I can't vlog while I do that because I'm uploading from my phone. But I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.
Started working here, she started getting better. So you saved her life. You knew that was here the whole time? Just fried chicken.
Hey guys, so it is like midnight or something right now. 11. No, it's past midnight. It's like 12:30. But I'm currently watching my old Vlogmas videos. And my dog was there. And I miss my dog so much. But only one more week until I get to see her. I get to see her next Friday when I go home. But she was so cute in this video. I think it's because the thumbnail was her and that's why I picked it. But I'm just currently watching old videos. I loved watching other people's Vlogmas videos, which I showed you a clip of that. And then I watched my Vlogmas day 1 and my week, my life. And then I watched my big little video again because I love that video. And I love my big so much. And I gave her her gift tonight, but I forgot to film it. But she loves it. And I realized that the soundtrack of the Christmas music in the background is super loud. I'm sorry for those that watched the video. If you did, no one did. But yeah, so I'm just gonna find another video. I'm ending this one. I'm like doing my outro, but I'm gonna find another one of my dog. It started in a video without me telling it to. But I'm gonna find another one of my dog. I'm gonna show you my dog. Okay, so I found a video of my dog. Like, you can't see her. Hold on. Look how cute she is. I love her. I miss her so much. That was a really short clip of her. But, wait, show that off. No? Okay. So cute. I miss her. There's pictures of her up there. Where is it? It's over there. No, I can't. Okay, that was a fail. But I miss her so much. I can't wait to see her. I guess I should end this vlog. I was gonna do some homework, but then I got really tired again. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to make new videos every Thursday. And since this vlog is a new vlog, goes up every single day. So if you didn't see Vlogmas Day 1, it will be linked down below. And then be sure to hit the notification button and subscribe button so you don't miss any other Vlogmas videos. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video, which is Vlogmas Day 3. Right? Yeah.